He saw them like, he saw them like that, doing this. Took them like about 30 to 40 minutes. You can only tell yourself you've done well in your love life once you reach this stage. There was this 85-year-old couple. Imagine how long they've been together. And the lady was naughty. You know what she tells her babe? They call her themselves babe.
Wow.
So one time, they said, babe, why don't we go to Macca's? That's where we used to date, right? They went to Macca's, Shani. In that McDonald's, they had that round table on the side of the road. That's famous. So while having coffee, you know what the lady said, Shani? She said, babe, what is your secret? And the husband asked her, why? Why is it for 85 years? I always feel this, like whenever I'm close with you, having coffee, I feel hot. You know what the husband said? Darling, take your tits out of the coffee. She's leaning like this. And the tits... Imagine this, they were on the round table. Next to them is a private investigator who happened to have coffee with at the same time. And then he was eavesdropping, listening to their conversation. And this guy was so naughty.
What? But you can't do this to me.
And he said, hang on, why don't I listen to this couple? He couldn't believe 85 years old.
What?
And then this naughty wife, she asked the husband, hey, do you remember this building 50 years ago? Hey, why? Remember over there? Where the dark side is? Why? This is where you got my virginity, right? And the husband, oh yeah, you still remember that? Oh come, let's go. Why don't we visit that place? So with the cane, with the stick, they slowly walk to where that place is. It's dark, but it's still there. So from a distance, this sneaky private investigator followed them. He followed them. He got excited. He wants to know what this couple will do. And then he can barely see them just by the shadow because it's dark. And then, as soon as they reached the point, the wife was really noticing. Honey, remember what we did here? So, because she was old already, she was not wearing anymore. She just bent over, pulled the bloody skirt, and then this private investigator can see them from a distance. Like, he got excited because he saw them like, he saw them like that, doing this.
What?
Took them like about 30 to 40 minutes. And then they both fell together. And this private investigator was so curious. How the hell did they do that? So, to cut the long story short, they managed to get up, dressed up, and walk back to the alley with the walking. This time, the private investigator could not hold it anymore. So, he interrupted them and said, sorry, madam, sir.
Sorry to interrupt.
My name is blah, blah, blah. I am a police officer. I was concerned about your safety because you're already frail, old. So, I'm sorry if I must tell you, I was watching you all the way. Huh? That's all right. The lady said, that's okay. That's not a problem. You're not angry? Nah, you're still young. Blah, blah, blah. Can I ask you a question? What? Said the guy. What was your secret? How did you last that long? Because you can see them from a distance shaking. You know what the lady said? Because the lady was in front. Oh, I don't know. 25 years ago, that fence was not an electric fence.
Damn!
You should be.